Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S Plus. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your desktop or mobile device. This essential software will guide you through the initial configuration process. You'll create a new wallet or restore an existing one, ensuring your digital assets are secure from the start. Let's get your device ready for use. Now, let's initialize your Ledger Nano S Plus. On the device screen, select Setup as New Device. You'll then be prompted to choose a strong PIN code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits. Remember this PIN, as it's crucial for accessing your device. The most critical step is writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Double-check every word for accuracy. With your device initialized, it's time to manage your cryptocurrencies. Open Ledger Live and go to the Manager section. Here, you can install the specific applications for the cryptocurrencies you want to store, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once an app is installed, you can generate a receiving address directly within Ledger Live. Always verify this address on your Ledger device screen before sending any funds to ensure maximum security. This process keeps your assets safe. To send cryptocurrency, initiate the transaction within Ledger Live, specifying the amount and recipient. Crucially, always verify the recipient's address on your Ledger Nano S Plus device screen before confirming. This two-step verification prevents malicious attacks. Remember to keep your recovery phrase offline and secure and never input it into any digital device. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Staying vigilant is key to protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.